Okay, so the song, when I finish, raise your hand if you want to try. Okay? Ebuchukwu onye dị mma, Ebuchukwu. And I will post the song, the lyrics, okay? The song and the lyrics. So you know the meaning. I translated it, all right? Ebuchukwu onye dị mma, Ebuchukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nna o, ebere gị n'ebe nna o, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Ebuchukwu onye dị mma, Ebuchukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nna o, ebere gị n'ebe nna o, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Okay, who wants to try? Who is going to try? Come on, I need somebody to raise his or her. Yay! Chinua. Okay, Chinua, I'm going to unmute you. Now go ahead and unmute yourself. Chinua, unmute yourself. Ngwa. Just try. Gbalịa means try. Gbalịa. Ngwa.
Ibuchukwu dị mma, Ibuchukwu dị mma, Ibuchukwu dị ike.
Chineke dị nsọ. Can you say Chineke?
Chineke.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of Chineke?
Yeah, it means God in Igbo.
God, yes. Chukwu, Chineke means God. Chinua, good. Chineke means God. Chukwu also means God. You tried, okay? So Chinua,
What's God?
This is what I want you to do. Go ahead and keep on learning the words, okay? I want you to learn how to pronounce the words. And then once you're able to pronounce it clearly, then you're going to sing it again, okay?
Okay.
Right now, somebody will try next week. So we try one person every week. All right, so let's move on.
Okay.
We're going to review what we did last week so we can go back to the alphabets. And I will post the alphabets, the lyrics, and then the pronunciation. And please know it because you need to know the alphabets to be able to pronounce Igbo words. All right, so let's get what we did last week, and then I'm going to share a screen with you guys. All right, so 1 second while I get it. Ebuchukwu onye dị mma, Ebuchukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nna o, ebere gị n'ebe nna o, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Ebuchukwu onye dị mma, Ebuchukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nna o, ebere gị n'ebe nna o, na m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, Goziere m ikwu n'ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. All right. So now I'm going to share screen, okay? This is what we did last week. That's what we did last week. And we're going to review before we can move on to alphabet, okay? We are going to review it. And I need everybody to pay attention. No questions. Remember, we reserve 20 minutes, 15 minutes towards the end for you to ask questions. So always come to this class with a notepad that you labeled Igbo class, okay? So you label it Igbo class, come to class with a pen or pencil. Whenever I'm doing the teaching, if you have questions, make sure you're writing it down so that you won't forget. Then when I give you opportunity to ask questions, then you can ask your question. All right, so last week we did something called Igbo phrases and their meaning, okay? And I said learn all. Learn all means mo ha ncha. Mo ha ncha. Let me maximize it. Mabo. Mabo. Mo ha ncha means learn all. You can also say mo ha niile. Mo means learn. Mo means learn, which is M-U-O. And that's not how to spell Igbo words. But right now, I'm going to spell it in English. Once we get to spelling Igbo words, then I show you how to spell Igbo words. Mo means learn. Hancha, all of them. Hancha, or you can say hanile means all. Hanile, marble, marble means all. I think I have it somewhere here. Now let me put it down here. Ma. Or means ma. Obo. Ma. Obo. Ma. Obo. Okay? All means ma obo. When you hear me say mo ha niile ma obo means all, and that was why I put it there. Number two. Number two means in cabo. We will also review our numbers. Okay? But let's review this today. These are phrases, Igbo words, okay, and their meaning. Learn all. Don't forget, because I'm going to ask you questions. You need to listen and make sure you know what I'm saying. And I posted this note and I'm going to repost it again to the forum for the sake of the new ones that I just added. More means learn. More means learn, okay? Hanile means all. Hancha, marble. Don't forget I said marble means all. Learn all. So the sentence in Igbo. More hancha. See? More. See where I'm moving my mouse. More ha ncha. Ncha. Ncha also means nile. More hancha marble. More hanile. Okay, this thing I put here is like all. More hanile. They mean the sentence. Now, nkembo. Nkembo means number one. Nkembo, number one. Okay? Everyone in Igbo, it means onye ọbụla. Onye ọbụla. Everyone means onye. Watch my mouth, how I'm pronouncing it. Onye ọbụla. Onye ọbụla. You sound it within yourself, because I muted everybody. I don't want noise everywhere. You can be sounding it. When I sound it, I want you to sound the sentence. Onye ọbụla. Onye ọbụla means everyone or everybody. So I'm going to put it there. Means everybody. All right. Now, or means what? Ma, obo. Don't forget, because I'm going to ask you, I call your name, I ask you a question. Ma, obo means or. Now, means bo, bo, bu, bo. Another word for means is potara, potara. Look at that, nkato number 3. Number 3, I'm sure you can see, I try to maximize it so that you see. Means bo, marble, potara, 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 potara. Now, no problem. Number 4, look at that. No problem is nsogbu adịghị. Before you pronounce you have to close your mouth to pronounce the N. Nsogbu adịghị. Nsogbu, see, my mouth is closed while I made the sound. You're going to make it with, see, your sound, your throat, your inner throat is going to make the sound. Nsogbu adịghị. Nsogbu adịghị. Nsogbu adịghị. Don't forget, I'm going to ask you to, when I call a word, I say, okay, tell me how to say it in Igbo. So you gotta pay attention. Nsogbu adịghị. And in Igbo words, you can never miss it once you know your alphabet very well, because every letter must come in. You pronounce every letter. If you watch this now, see where I'm moving my mouse. So, bu, a, de, re, a, de, re. Okay, that's how to say that. Now, number 5. Come here. Come here means bia eba. See that? Number 5. Bia eba. Bia eba. Bia eba. Number 6. Go. Gaba. Marble. Don't forget, I say every time I say marble, it means or. So I will continue to use it because I want you to get used to it and know the meaning. Whenever I say ma obo, know that I'm saying or, ma obo. Okay? So go, potara. You see, I'm trying to use the meaning of means. So gradually, I'm not going to be saying means. If I say no problem means, so what I'm going to say there, no problem, potara. Okay? Or I cannot say no problem, bo. So potara means, okay? Means potara or bo. So I'm going to be using them interchangeably, okay? Pay attention. When you hear me say bo, marble, potara, what I said means. So now I'm going to say go, bo, which is means. Go, bo, gaba, gaba, marble, pour, marble, pour. So go, potara. So the word potara, the meaning is what? Means. The word bo, the meaning also means, it means, okay? So go, pụtara gaba. Go pụtara pụọ. So when you hear me say pụọ maọbụ gaba, it means go. Now, when I say come here, pụtara bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Ebe a means here. Bịa means come. Bịa means come. Here means ebe a. See? So, bịa, come. Here means ebe a. All right. Come and eat food. You know the meaning of come, don't you? Come means bịa. Okay? You don't know the meaning of food. You don't know the meaning of eat. The meaning of eat means rie. Number 7, see that? Bịa means come. If not any other thing, learn at least 3 words that you're going to take out of this class today when it's over. Okay? Make sure you pick something today. Please. Please, it means, so I'm going to put it here. I'm going to say please. Biko. Please means biko. Biko, please. Biko means please. Okay? Biko is please. Now, yes means eh. Yes is eh. Don't forget all these simple ones. Eh. No means mba. No is mba. No is mba. So in this class, you pick these words. When I ask you a question, if you want to say no, what you are going to say to me is mba. You see how I close my mouth? Mba. Mba. If you want to say yes, it's eh. Eh. Then okay is o. Okay. If I tell you something, say all right, or okay is oh. You see that? It's not the sentence as eh. It's not the sentence as yes, even though yes, if you say okay, you accepted that thing. You accepted, it means yes, but it's not the same thing. Literally, it's not. Okay means oh. Okay, say oh. See that? So yes is eh. No is bo, mba. And when I say bo or is, bo, potara, bo, potara, they both mean is, okay, or meaning, what it means, okay? So, all right. So moving on, come and eat food. You know the meaning of come. Bear, eat, rie, rie, rie. Don't forget I said when I sound the word, sound it yourself. That's how you get used to it. Sound it, okay? Even though I'm not hearing it. Rie means eat. Food means nri. Watch my mouth. Nri. 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 See that? You like you say nri, but you are making the sound with your voice, okay? Your inner throat. Nri. The best sound is when you close your mouth to sound the N, like when you say neka, okay? Neka. Mama, okay? But nri, nyam. So they are different. But when you say nri, neka, ngozi, ngozi, all these letters, all these words beginning with N is N is ne, ne. But when you have it with another, now, this is, let me say this. When you have something, ne, okay, nri, and 1 second. So, neka. Now, the first N here, you close your mouth. That's But even though in alphabet, N is ne, ne, but when you have it with another thing, so the first, if we don't have this N, so it's going to be neka, neka. You see that? Neka, okay? But if we have this, then the first N, you close your mouth. Then break it in syllables. Then the other N, ne, is ne, N and E, ka. So, the first N, the second one, ne. You see that? So that's how you pronounce it. Ne, ka. So let's go back to what we are doing. So, nri, nri means what? Food. Rie, rie means eat. Now, come and eat food. Bia, rie, nri. Okay? All right, moving on. Who is that? Now, first of all, who means onye. Onye. Onye means who. Abonye. Who is that? Onye ka ebo. Who is that? Means abo onye. Now I'm going to put this slash here, represents all. Ma obo. O. Bo. Onye. These are two ways to ask that question. Abu onye. You can also say onye ka abu. You see that? You can switch it. Who is that? Onye ka abu. You can also say abu onye. Number 13. I'm talking about number 13. Abu onye. You can also say onye ka abu. All right? Now, number 14. I am coming. Now this is referring to you. I am coming. This I means you. I am coming. Is I. Am, nam. Nam means am. Anam, abia. Let's join the M with the NF. See, nam, abia. Nam, abia. Abia means coming. Abia means coming. I am coming. Anam, abia. Anam, abia. Okay. Where did you go? First of all, let's say the meaning of where. Where means ebe. Ebe. Ebe means where. You're looking for something, or maybe I say, hey, Amara, go get me a spoon. Amara, ga wetaram ngaji. Ngaji means spoon. We're gonna do things in the kitchen, not today. Okay. So Amara will ask me, where is it? No, Amara will just say, where? Means ebe. Now, when you say, where is it? Where is it? Ebe ka ono. So when you say, where is it? It means ebe ka ono. Ono, or you can say ebe ka ode. Okay? Ebe ka ono. So let's just stick with this one for now. Ebe ka ono. Ebe ka ono. I hope I'm recording this. 1 second. I'll make sure it's been recorded. Okay, it's recording. All right. Ebe ka ono. Where is it? So the meaning of where is ebe. Ebe ka ono. Where is it? Now, where did you go? Ebe, remember the same where. Ebe ka. Egara. Egara means go. E is you. The letter A, this letter A is you. When I say Ebiara, you came. Ebiara, you came. Ebiara, you came. That A, that I is you. That's what it is. E is you. Okay. Ebeka, Egara, where did you go? Now, when I say stop, pose means stop. Posebo. Don't forget I said bo. You can, it means is or means. All right. Wait. Chere. Wait. Chere. Or some people say chelo. But let's stick with central. Chere. Chere. Number 19. Wait. Potara. Chere. Chere. Forget about shallow, but this is a different dialect. 20, which is nki iri abo. 20 means iri abo. Lower your hand. Wetuo akage. Lower your hand. Wetuo akage. Wetuo akage means get it down, okay? Wetuo akage. Aka means hand. G means your. G, G-I, your. Okay? Listen. Gente. Gente. Ge is a long vowel. This E. Gente. Gente. Okay? Nkiri na abo 22. Jump means wulie elu. Jump. Okay, wulie to jump. Wulie elu. Wulie elu. Wulie elu. All right. 23. Sit. Nodo ane. You can say nodo or you can say nodo, noro. Nodo ane. You can say nodo ala. So some people will say nodo ala. Ala means ground. Sit. Nodo ane. You can say noro ane. Or marble. Nodo ala. Sit. Nodo ala. Marble. Noro ane. Okay. 24. Iri abo nano. I am doing something. I am doing something. Something means in here. In here means something. I am doing something. Anam eme in here. Anam means I am. Eme is doing something in here. I am not hungry. 25. Hungry is ago. Ago is hungry. I am, don't forget, I am again. I am not hungry. Ago, anage. When is in a negative, okay? It's anage. Ago, anage, agum. I am not hungry. All right. So I think we have 30. Oh, wow. All right, 26. Iri, abo, na isi. Say it again. Huoya ozo. So when I ask you something and you say that, and when you hear me say huoya ozo, it means say it again. So we're going to be using these words. Huoya ozo. Huoya ozo. Huoya ozo. It means say it again. Wait for me. Remember, we said wait means chere. Chere. Wait for me. Chere mu. Me means mu. M-U. Mu. Wait for me. Chere mu. Okay. 28. Iri abụọ na asatọ. Where are you? Ebe ka ị nọ. Ebe ka ị nọ. I repeated it. Remember we said it before. I repeated it. Ebe ka ị nọ. 29. Iri abụọ na itenaane. He is coming tomorrow. Now don't forget our pronouns. I said he, she, it means or with a dot underneath. Or anything you are doing when it's he, she, it, you start it. When I say she is here, or it is here, or no, eba. He is here, or no, eba. You see that? That or means he, she, or it. Just one letter. One letter or represent he, she, it. Okay, moving on. He is coming tomorrow. Now, pay, see that? Or na-abịa echi. Echi means tomorrow. All right, that's why we keep going. Echi means tomorrow. That's what it is. Today. Today means, let me put English this way. Echi. Today means taa, maọbụ tata. Taa, maọbụ tata. That's today. Come today. Bịa tata, maọbụ bịa taa. You can say bịa tata, or you can say bịa taa. All right, now we're gonna get to the game. Okay, let's see. All right, when I call your name, you tell me how to say it. Okay, now I'm gonna call Amanze. Amanze. Amanze, well, unmute yourself. Amanze, on Amanze. Ugonna, on Amanze, unmute yourself. Amanze, unmute yourself. So Amanze, I know you're there. You just don't want to answer. Amanze, unmute yourself. Ugonna, if you're there, Ugonna, you're Amanze's brother. Ugonna, unmute yourself. Is Ugonna there? All right. They're there, but they're not responding. So note that I'm gonna get to somebody else. Amara Nwosu. Amara, how do you say So when I call your name and ask you a question, before you answer the question, you say, Ahambo. I'm gonna put it here. Ahambo. My name is. Ahambo, meaning my name is. My name is. It means Ahambo. Then you say your name. Ahambo, Quinette. Okay. Ahambo, Amara. Can you say that? I'm going to unmute you, Amara.
Ahambo.
Yay! Okay. Now say your name now.
Amara Mwosu.
Amara Mwosu.
Amara Mwosu.
Good. Koya Ozo. Remember, I say, when you hear me say, Koya Ozo, it means say it again. Koya Ozo.
Okay. Ahambo. Amara Mwosu.
Wonderful. Dalo, Dalo. Now, Amara, how do you say or?
Ma opo.
Koya Ozo.
Ma opo.
Ma opo. Awesome. Dalo. Dalo, Dalo. Dalu means, Amara, Dalu means thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, that's what it is. So I'm gonna put it here. Thank you, Miss Dalu. Dalu. Okay, Dalu, Dalu. So when I say Dalu, you can say emailer. Well done. That's what it says, okay? All right. Okay, so let me get another person. I told you guys to pay attention, and it shows that Amala is paying attention. Adanne Idiga. Adanne, unmute yourself. Adanne, how do you say no problem? Adanne Idiga, unmute yourself. I unmuted everybody. So all you need to do, unmute yourself. Adanne, you are there. How do you say no problem? Is Adanne here? I see your name.
This is her brother. I don't think her mic is working. This is Naducci.
I'm gonna talk to my brother's laptop because mine isn't working.
Okay, Adanne, all right. Go ahead and use your brother. You two can use one device. You know
Okay.
that. Okay, how do you say
No problem. Insogbu adigi.
Koya Ozo.
Say it again.
No problem, bro. Insogbu adigi.
And remember, before you can answer the question, you didn't tell me your name. So, get a bahage.
Ahambo Adana Ediga.
Dalo, Adanne. Let me get another person. Here dimnuche. Here dimnuche. How do you say, where is it? Remember, I told you guys to learn all this. Here dimnuche, how do you say, where is it?
Onye ka.
Where, remember, where is
Ebe
it?
ka ino.
No, where is it? What is it?
Oh yeah, ebe ka ono.
There you go, Dalo. Ebe ka ono. There you go, Dalo. Let me see. Who is Maria Gorati Ejike? Maria Gorati Ejike, mute yourself. Maria Gorati. If you don't answer, because I'm not sure you're supposed to be in this class, I need to take you out. If you know you are here, answer me. Maria Gorati, who are you? I don't have you in my roster. Who is Maria Gorati? Can you talk? You don't talk, I'm taking you out of the class. All right, I'm taking you out. We want to make sure we don't have a stranger in this class. I don't have her on the list. Who is Ugo? Ugo? Who is Ugo? Can you answer me? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna take the person out. All right. Ezinne, Akabeze. Ezinne, how do you say? I am coming.
Anambia.
Ezinne, gwa m aha gị.
Sorry, Auntie, what'd you say?
Gwa m aha gị. Gịnị bụ aha gị? You need to tell me your name first.
Ahambu Azine.
Okay. Now, kedu etu esi ekwu? I am coming.
Anambia.
Eh?
Anambia.
No, you're missing the letter that starts that bia. Anam, what? I need every letter to come out. What is it? Anam. You're missing this. You're number 15. You're missing the A. Why do you have to jump the A? Anam, what? What is that?
Anamabia.
There you go, Dalo. So make sure you pronounce the letter. Do not leave any of the letters out. Pronounce every letter, please.
Okay, Auntie.
Imela. How do you say thank you?
Dalu.
Imela. Neduchi. Kedete sheku everyone, mob everybody.
Wait, did you call me?
Yeah, Nedushi.
Oh,
I want you to tell me everybody.
Anya Abula.
Now, tell me your name first. Kene Banhage.
Hahambo Neduchi Ediga.
Gene everybody.
Anya Abula.
Onye Apola. Hoya.
Anya Obula.
Onye Apola.
Anya Abula.
Hoya Ozo.
Anya Abula.
Dalo. Who's going to tell me? Let me see. Going to call Chukwude Honora. Chukwude Honora, how do you say? Means, number 4. What something means or is?
Afambo Chukwudi Honora.
Means
bo pụtara.
Dalo. Imela. Chukwuemeka Ohago, how do you say go?
Gabia. Gaba.
Chukwuemeka Kuahage.
Ahambu Chukwuemeka Ohago.
Okay, how do you say go?
Gaba.
Gaba. Chukwuemeka Kuo Gaba. Chukwuemeka Kuo Gaba.
Gaba.
When I say Kuo, it means say.
Gaba.
Say. Okay. Now, what is that? Oh, no. Who is that? Let me see. Who is that? Chibusamma Honora. Who is that? Huh? Chibusamma, who is that? Chibusamma is not here. Okay. Zikora, how do you say? Who is that? Don't forget to say your name. Zikora. Okay, we are moving on. Zikora is not answering. I'm taking note of all the ones that are not answering. And I want to get back and find out if you guys are doing something else in this class. When you're in this class, you have to pay attention and listen.
Say it.
No, 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 no noise, no noise. Amarachi, Amarachi, how do you say no? Amarachi Oneba, Chinua Haya, how do you say where? Who is that? Chinua, how do you say who is that?
Ahambuchina, Ohio.
Mhm.
Who is that boy? Onyeka Obu.
Awesome. Chinedum, how do you say where did you go? Chinedum Ohio.
Where did you go, boo?
Chinedum, Chinedum, go ahage. Chinedum, say your name.
Oh, Ahambu Chinedum.
Mhm. How do you say where did you go?
Where did you go, boo? Ebe ka igiara.
Dalo ebeka egara. Who will tell me? Let's see. Ugonna. Ugonna, can you tell me how to say lower your hand? Ugonna. Okay, Ugonna is not answering me. Chika. Chika, how do you say stop? Chika, how do you say stop?
How you say stop? Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Chika, Chika, say your name.
Ahumble Chika, cool.
Chika, Kwoya also. How do you say stop?
Cool. Sorry. Cool ushi.
Kwose, Chika say kwose.
Cool ose.
No, kwose,
Kose.
kwose. Yes, dalo. Kosi okoli. Kosi, how do you say wait? Lower your hand. Kosi okoli. How do you say lower your hand? Is Kosi here? Okay, Chidubem Eze. Chidubem, how do you say jump?
Loenu.
Wulie elu.
Olu elu.
Wulie elu.
Ole elu.
Dalo. Let me see. Whom didn't I call? Let's see. Shizitelum. Shizitelum, how do you say sit down? Shizitelum, how do you say sit down?
Node.
Node ala. Kwuo ya ọzọ, nọdụ ala.
Node ala.
Okay. Ihe dị m n'uche, how do you say lower your hand?
Lower your hand, bo wetuo aka.
Wetua, you're missing something. You are.
Wetuo aka gi.
Wetua kage dalo. Dalo, that's good. Okay, now we're run out of time. Now, do you have anybody with any question? If you have a question, inwa ajuju weli aka gị elu. Ajuju means question. If you have a question, raise your hand. I'm going to send out the Igbo alphabets and then the recording. And I want you guys to learn it before next class. And I'm going to post this class note as well and the recording. Okay. Let me see. Somebody's raising. Chiamaka. Oh, Chukwuemeka. Go ahead.
How do you say dog in Igbo?
No. You gotta say it the way. How do you say I have a question? You say your name and you say I have a question.
Ahambu Chukwuemeka. Opu dog in Igbo.
No. How do you say I have a question?
Oye ajuju.
No. Who knows how to say that? Who can tell us how to ask, I have a question? Adanne Idiga, how do you say I have a question? Adanne Idiga. Ezinne Akabeze, how do you say I have a question? Okay, Adanne, stop. Ezinne Akabeze, how do you say I have a question?
Ahambu Ezine. I have a question, Bu Enwerem Ajuju.
Dalo Ezinne.
Email.
Enwere ajụjụ Chukwuemeka, did you hear that? Okay, Chukwuemeka Ngwa, say your name and tell us you have a question.
Aha bụ Chukwuemeka Ohagu. I have a question.
No, say it in Igbo. Okay, you're not gonna ask the question if you can't say it in Igbo. Who else has a question? Chima. Until Chukwuemeka, you need to learn it. You've been in this class for how many months now? You should be able to say it. All right. Adan, who is raising hand? Chima or Obi? Ngwa, go ahead.
How do you say spider?
No,
in Igbo?
no. Say your name and say, I have a question.
Ahumbu Obi.
How do you say, I have a question?
Enwerem Ajuju.
Dalo, Ngwa, go ahead and ask your question.
How do you say spider in Igbo?
Spider is ududo. Spider, can you say ududo?
Ududo.
Ududo. We're going to learn animals. So we're going to do that in the category of animals, okay? So we're not going to do it today, but how to say spider is ududo. Spider means ududo. Spider is ududo. Ududo, okay? It means ududo dalo. Okay, now, any other person with any question? Okay, so listen, I'm going to send out the note. It's going to be on WhatsApp, but that will be after all my classes and then maybe tomorrow. But then if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to Atlanta Igbo is School on YouTube. And then every time we post a note or we post a recording, you get the class and review it. So when I send that alphabet, please go ahead and learn it. Go ahead and learn it, okay? I want everybody, I want to hear everybody. All right, audio. All right, audio. See you guys next time.